Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Huawei 11, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable Camera Pro mode on this device and how to use it. So firstly, let's open the camera application and click next, enable all, allow, agree. Cool, we have camera interface. And now you need to scroll right, and here you will see the Pro mode. Click on it, and cool, we have enabled the Pro mode. So here we can change the image type. You can change it from JPG to RAW, for example. You can change the ISO, shutter speed, autofocus mode, and white balance mode too. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.